Hi, it's Neetu and I'm here with this makeup look, and I think it's a really great look for when you're going out on a date. This is actually a really easy, simple look. I think anyone can do it, and you know, you can even use it every day. And so I really hope you like this tutorial, and let's get started. It was inspired by a Japanese singer and model. Her name is Yasuda Rei, and her real name is actually Rachel Rhodes or something in America. She's actually American, I think. And anyways, she's an artist in Japan. Her newest single, Koi no Uta, love song, basically, that's what it means. So Koi no Uta is her newest single, and so I was looking at that video, and so I was really inspired by that. So I already put concealer and BB cream, so you can use like a foundation or whatever. I did the base makeup basically. So all I have to do now is shade, and then I'll be done the, you know, most of the face part. So I'm just taking a bronzer, and this one's by Yves Saint Laurent, and I'm just shading, and that's supposed to make your face look smaller, but I also use it to help my foundation, you know, go into my neck better, because the foundations that I've been using recently are a bit light for me. And then you shade on the sides of your nose to help make your nose look smaller, and then I put a little here to make the cheekbone stand out a little. So just choose a pink blush. This one that I'm using is by Etude House, and it is number 6 grapefruit jelly, and this is it, the cookie blusher. Whoops, sorry. This is the color. You can't really, honestly, it looks like there's no color. On camera, it looks like there's no color there. There is a color there. It's actually very, very pink, but it's supposed to have some coral in it as well, but the coral is very minimal. And now I think you'll see. I think this is one that'll show up better on camera. I don't know if this blush shows up well. Some blushes just hardly show on camera, but are really kind of intense in real life. Okay, so I did that. I hope you can see the color. I think that I look really weird without any eye makeup on, so I think that maybe I'll just start doing that right now. Have you seen this before? This is my favorite palette. It's in every video that I ever do pretty much, and it's my favorite palette. It's by Yves Saint Laurent, and it's number 3 in the 5 color eyes. But okay, so I'm just going to put that under the brow area to highlight just the lightest color. It's kind of a highlight color. It's sparkly and shiny, and I'm putting that on the brow bone here. And I'm also going to put that in the corners, and I just kind of go like that. Yeah, and that goes, because it's just a highlighting color, but it just makes the highlighting in the corners makes your eyes look wider apart, but also I think just wider in general. And putting them on the bottom kind of makes your eyes look more cute, and it highlights this kind of area. It just makes your eyes look cute. Okay, and I'm going to take a pink color, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm going to use this pencil on the top because it gives a more intense pink look. It's what I have that's kind of more intense, and that's what I want right now. Anyways, if you have kind of a pink or orangey pink kind of color, just use that. It doesn't have to be the same thing. But actually this is an eyeliner, but I'm going to use it like an eyeshadow. There, and blend it, and so it's kind of like I'm using it as an eyeshadow. It's ColourPop Drawing Show Creamy Pencil. I'm sure this was a limited edition. PK103. Hello. Can you see me? Do you have eyes? I really hope you do. Okay. And that's what it looks like. Because the pencil that I use is more of a matte pink, but actually there's a bit coral in there as well kind of shade, I'm putting this pink over it, and this one's a sparkly kind of shade and just makes everything pop better. So I'm doing this because I don't have the actual things, the color that I want and the thing that I want. So if you have already a more like intense pink kind of, if you have a pink sparkly eyeshadow, just use that. I have darker skin, so a lot of colors that would show up on people with lighter skin don't really show up on me. So that's why I try to layer colors to make things show up more.
I know that some people understand what I'm talking about, and some people are like, oh really, I didn't know that. I don't know. I'm gonna put some of this pink under as well, actually.
So without the pencil, I just put a bit on the under part of my eyes as well, like that. Now I'm just gonna put a pop of the light highlighting color. Yeah, I'm just actually gonna use the highlighting color just in the center, and that's supposed to highlight, you know, supposed to highlight, that's what it does. It highlights the inner part, the ball of the eye. It highlights your eyeballs, like so. That's what you gotta do. And now I gotta put the eyeliner on. I'm using my Innisfree Power Proof Brush Liner, and I love this. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put it on, and I'm also gonna okay, I'm putting it on, but I'm also gonna elongate as well. And then make it winged a bit too. Just a little. Do you see what I did there? It's easier when you have these brush eyeliners. And I'm drawing a pretty thin line because that's what she has. This eyeliner is amazing, but it's running out. I'm almost done. I ordered a different one, the Dolly Wink one from Yes Style, but I gotta wait for it. Now I'm gonna take a black eyeliner pencil. This is by Etude House, the Powerproof line. And this is just a black eyeliner. Any black eyeliner will do. And I'm just gonna go under. And, you know, I'm going on my lash line. Maybe I should do it closer. I'm going on my lash line. And just putting a little bit, very lightly, on the lower lash line. Go like that. I don't really want to do too much, but like I just connected it a little bit, lightly connected it and went around. Okay, now for mascara, I'm using the It's Real by Benefit. Okay, so I just put mascara on, that's all I did, and she has pretty defined eyebrows, and they're a brown color. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to fill my brows in a bit with a brush, and I'm using a light brown. I'm using this color right here. Look, this is the case. Ta-da! Actually, this shadow has a bit of gray in it as well, so it's kind of a gray brown, which is actually nice for the eyebrows. So this time I'm starting in the middle, and I'm just going to fill them in. So I'm blending around. I think she has really nice eyebrows. And I'm just going to brush them to make them look, you know, more natural as well. Okay, now I'm going to put on some lipstick and lip liner. I'm gonna put lip liner on first. This is a nude pink color by Dior. It's number 433 if you're interested. Okay, so I just filled it in with the 433 by Dior. And I have this Corally lip color by Etude House. I love this. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god, look at it. So beautiful. It's actually really kind of corally, pretty. It's very pretty. I like it. It's pretty. Pretty. It's OR233. What is so cool about these is that the bow comes off, and it's a ring. A lot of the Etude House and use it. Pretty. In case you didn't know. Did I not say simple? Lovely and simple. I really think that this is a good look for, you know, going out on a date or even for like every day. I feel like it is a bit more springtime, but I think it's great for Valentine's Day as well. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!